O wala pa. Go! Okay, ulit. In the count of
3. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes! We have a winner! Micah, for the first time in the history of mankind, that we have a winner. So LGBT. So what you gonna do with that? Saan? Saan ka ninyo susunod? Doon, ipahin natin yung rules ngayon sa'yo. Nakuha ka ng upuan. Joke lang. Alright, so what you will be doing is that you will be putting the garter into her. So, using the mouth daw. Alright. Music po. Alright, and in the count of 3. Ayan! Ayan! Itaas mo hanggang sa ano ha?